Hello friends, today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful wall hanging. For this we need color papers, a pencil, a pair of scissors, few cardboard pieces and glue. First of all, we have to cut small stripes from a brown color paper. Then, by using a paper quilling tool, we have to make the spirals like this. Now we have spirals. We have to paste the spirals on the cardboard. We are using 4 cardboard pieces of 33 by 3 centimeters. Apply the glue on the surface, then we can easily paste the spirals. We have pasted the spirals to all 4 cardboards. This is the shape we are making today. Paste the cardboards together. Now, using a block, we can cut the flowers and leaves from the papers like this. Now using a dark blue paper, we should cut 4 stripes of half-inch width. Let's cut the streamers along the stripes. This is what you get after cutting. Let's tool the stripe by the scissor. Now roll it using a paper quilling tool. Glue at the end. Spread the streamers with the fingers. We made all 4. Let's add the flowers to the frame. First the leaves, then paste the flowers according to the shades. We'll quickly finish the other flowers. It's done. Let's add another flower to the middle. I made the same flower in a small scale and added a string to the back side. Then fixed it to the frame and added a piece of ribbon to hang on the wall. This is our beautiful homemade wall hanging. We have only 4 flowers at the corners and attached the small one to the center. Thanks for watching.